Cause no damage. No damage. Alright. Fucking terrible. I'm a fucking idiot. No surprise. I really don't want it to fall. Move, move, move. Move, Louis, move. Okay, not there. You don't like to listen, do you? That's my fault. I am a bad owner. Bad doggy owner. No, go away. What the fuck is this? Is this safe, guys? Why is it like that? Why is the inside like that? Damn. Is this the same tire? Supposed to bought the exact same thing. This one looks a little different. Maybe it isn't different, man. Exact same thing. Look how thin it comes. And this is even thinner than the actual CST ones that I came with. Alright. We're just gonna put it in the same direction. Like that. Take this out. Stick it back in. CST. This one says 10 by 2, but apparently this fits in the 3-inch too. 3-inch as well. Let me put this in. You just open it and just take your time with this, trust me. You want it to be put in nice and perfect. You should probably deflate. I'm gonna deflate this a little bit more. There we go. I want it just inflated enough where I can just put it in. You really don't want it to be folding either. I'm kind of tired, so I'm just gonna do what I can. Make sure it's nice and comfy in there. You want to check, make sure there's no pinches. Pretty happy, he's pretty happy in there. Thing is, you don't want it to pinch when you're putting it back in. Do you see how there's like a little, it kind of comes out a little bit like that? It's kind of scary. You just don't want it pinched because it's inevitably gonna cause an issue. I think it was like this. I think it was like that. Okay. Put that hole in. Put this in. You want to squeeze it all the way to one side. Just look at that. It's gonna come together. And if it comes over this metal piece, this is sharp. It is super sharp. It would cut anything pretty much. That was a bad example, but you just don't want it to be coming out. I actually don't like that this has all this little plastic, the rubber fringe on it. All right, okay, so I have this now. You want to line up. There is a valve right here as well, the valve indentation. You want that to line up with this. Otherwise, Ginger on Wheel, he didn't see that, and one of the videos I used to help me figure this out. And one of the comments was like, you missed it. Not gonna happen here, guys. Because we evolve, and information is learned through watching others sometimes. What the fuck am I doing? Okay. Damn. It's such a small space. Like how little space you have. So you kind of almost have to like put this in like that. It's actually concerning. I can't really really see. I just don't want. Just want to line it up right. This part isn't really lined up right. It kind of has to go in perfectly like that. Alright. Looks pretty good. It's kind of hard to know 100% until you start putting the screws in. I have to just give it a few turns so it's in. Hard to tell. Sometimes you screw this and then it's not in the hole. But I feel pretty confident. I'm 80% confident it's in the hole correctly. You can almost kind of feel it when you're turning it. There's just enough friction for you to be like, alright, it's in the hole. It's spinning. It's threading.